This song features two main chord patterns. For the verse and chorus, we'll start on a G, B, D, G major. For two measures, we'll go to a D major, D, F sharp, A. That'll be for two measures. Right up to E minor, E, G, B. And then down to C, C, E, G. In one hand, that chord progression could look like this. Each chord gets two measures. 2, 3, start on G. Go to D, E minor, C. Repeat. In two hands, that chord pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, G major. The bridge is its own fun little shuffle. We'll have 8 chords starting on D major, D, F sharp, A. 2 measures each, then we'll go to E minor, E, G, B. To C major, C, E, G. To D major, D, F sharp, A. Up to that E minor, E, G, B. Down to C major, C, E, G. G major again, G, B, D. And then end on the D major, D, F sharp, A. In two hands, that bridge pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, start on D. Repeat the other pattern.